Hello, this is Mrs. Mackey. Today we're going to talk about comparing and ordering integers. Our essential question, the question you have to answer at the end of the video, is to explain how you know that -1 is greater than -5. Is your iBook set up? If so, you're ready to begin. If not, pause the video, set up your notes. Here we go. All right, our first vocabulary word is greater than. I'm a stickler. You are not going to use the alligator thingy eats the number 5. I'm expecting you to use the vocabulary word of greater than for the symbol. Just like I'm expecting you to use the vocabulary word of less than for the less than symbol. Make sure you have both of these into your notes. All right, here's our first I do. This is the example that I show you. You should have it copied into your notes. By the time we're done, do not do it as I do it, though. Please watch. We're going to use a number line to help us compare numbers. And to use a number line to compare numbers, the first thing I'm going to do is have a number line. And then I'm going to mark my 2 points on it. So I have a -7, and I have +1. Numbers to the right are always bigger than numbers to the left. So for this problem, I have -7 is less than +1, and I box my answer. Your turn. Compare -8 and -2. Pause the video. Hopefully you have -8 circled and -2 circled. So your answer is -8 and -2. Numbers to the right are always bigger, so I use the greater than symbol. Sorry, not the greater than symbol, the less than symbol. -8 is less than -2. Something else we do when we're comparing integers is to put a bunch of numbers in order from lowest to greatest, or in this case, from coldest to warmest. So I've got these cities here, and I'm going to mark them on the number line. Albuquerque is at +8. Chicago is -8. Cleveland, -5. Columbia, +4. Providence, Rhode Island, +1. And Reno, -1. Okay. Now that I have them in order on the number line, I just write my answer down. So I have Chicago, Cleveland, Reno, Providence, Columbia, and Albuquerque. Forgot an R. Okay? Next, time for you to do one. Okay, you're going to order these numbers from least to greatest. I do expect to see the number line with the numbers marked on your papers when I check your notes. Did you pause the video? Pause it before do the work, then you can check your answer. You should have marks at +3, -1, -4, +2. So our final answer is -4, -1, 2, and 3. Here's our summary. Our key concepts is that you can use a number line to help you compare numbers. Numbers to the right are always larger than numbers to the left. You should already have these in your notes, but pause the video, make sure it's there, and if it is, you can continue. If not, make sure you add this. We have 2 last steps for our Cornell notes. The next step is to come up with 2 questions. If you had questions as we were doing the video, those would already be there. If not, come up with 2 questions a teacher might ask you about this video. And our last step Explain how you know that -1 is greater than -5. You might want to use a number line. Remember, we did that on every problem that we did together on this video. If you still have questions that need to be answered, make sure you ask them in class tomorrow, and I'll see you later. TTFN!